Presentation is important. Here's how you can preview and get the right look for your work in Bulb. To access Preview or Live View, click the three dots in the top right of the page window. Then click where it says Preview/Live View. At the top of the page, you'll be prompted to select Preview or Live View. Preview will show you everything that is currently on the page, from the perspective of another user. So all of the changes that you've made, whether they're visible or not visible, will be present in this preview. Here's how our page looks while in preview. Click the Resume Editing button to go back to the editing window. Navigate back to Preview/Live View to test out the Live View function. Live View will show the latest version that has been shared. So if you've made changes that haven't been shared yet, they will not be visible in the Live View. Here's how our page looks in Live View. Click the Resume Editing button to navigate back to the editing window. You now have everything you need to know to preview and live view in Bulb.